Maayong hapon, bay. Today is like saan oras 11:43 buntag pa di, and I'm heading to Mikel right now, which is an hour and some minutes away from my place. I'm trying to pick up kuan kanang studio gears because nag-set up my studio gears for One Click Studio, which is a friend of mine, and organizing it, and hopefully we can set it up today. It's been pretty warm. Init yung siya karon 37 degrees. But sa Pilipinas, karon 37 degrees, okay na siya. Problema lang nga rin is, uga nga init nga rin. Di na siya humid. Pero murag, laing yun siya uga. Murag nasa oven. But anyway, I'm heading there right now. I'm gonna drive for an hour. And I'm not gonna try to talk to the phone because basig madakpan ko sa police. You're not allowed to do this here. So, yeah, bye. So to give you a bit of context, bay, kanang kuha niya, ang summer nga rin sa Australia is around December. So sa tuwa kay December is cold, and sa US kuansa na siya, that's snowing. So muna siyang Pasko cold Christmas. But the thing is here, Christmas is warm, Christmas is summer, so we go to the beach and everything else. So it's different here, right down under. Init kasi gawas pa, protesting na to ang dynamic range ng camera. Ngit-ngit nga rin sa kuan, pero sa gawas init, as in makita pang details, makita pang balay. So yeah, testing out. Though ngit-ngit kay ko sa picture, sa video diri, muna siya ang kuan, ang situation's lighting. Very harsh here, very dark here inside. So tanaw na tong dynamic range, okay pa ni camera. So far makikita ko medyo dark ko sa sulod, pero makita ako na rin details. So we'll see how this goes. So the microphone, nice ang microphone na niya kay katong wireless, which is 32-bit, but I feel like it's kind of heavy pag ana ko shirt. I like the katong Lark sa Holy Land, and the quality of the audio is good, so I'm going to use that. They have the USB-C adapter, so I can use it with this camera, so hopefully that's good. Right now na aircon niya, so langas kayo should be doing this because na aircon niya. Anyway, yeah. So ang temperature karon by misaka na 37 degrees, so init na kayo, and mag-meet ni Laura sa Ringwood, so I'll be heading there in a few. Mag-return siya company car, and then yeah, that's it. Hopefully okay siya. We're gonna go to Adriene's place and set up the studio lights in a few. So yeah, palit ni sa building kanina, pero Lunes man may bligya sarado. Kauta namin nga ring purple yam. Fieldside Superman. I don't know, I forgot. Let's check. Seeing donuts up here. Donuts. Bye, so gahapon doon ako matiwas ang vlog kasi the thing is na-disappoint ko gamay kay dako day kay first of all, after na muna set up ang studio with Laura, we went to we planned to go to Gembrook. Sa Gembrook na siya kanang nindot ka pizza house diha. Ako nag-shoot sa wedding sa groom video, and when we checked Monday sirado siya, so got a bit disappointed, and then we decided to like go get some lechon belly, like Cebu charcoal lechon belly instead, just to cheer ourselves up. And pag abot naman dito, nag-drive ko 20 minutes rush hour. Pag nag-drive na ko nga to, it was closed, so it's a bit disappointing. We decided to go to Purple Yam, kanang more siya kanang desserts pag mga ube. Yan na sila namin itong manga nga cake. When we got there, wala siya mga dessert. Nothing was there. So it's a bit disappointing. Stopped filming and went home. So yeah, I'm closing the video now. I'm just closing it, and we'll make another video for today. Also, whether today's like 37 degrees. Was it 37? I think it's 37 degrees today. Was it? Yeah. It's very warm today, so yeah. We'll see how we go. Anyway, see you in the next one.